right, we're back again today. We're working on the race car. I got Mr. Aiden over here, Mr. Cooper, he's holding the wrench. Anyways, we're back again. We're going to take this seat out of the race car because I can't get the bolt out for the bottom crotch belt. We're actually going to shorten that bolt. We're just going to end up cutting it off so we don't have to buy a new one. But we need to pull these seat belts back to the top here. We've already got all the bolts out. It's ready to rock and roll. So we'll pull it out. I'll have my helpers here help me get that seat out of there. And then we'll go ahead and clean up in here a little bit and, you know, get all the seat belts tightened down all the way. And we'll do an update once we get everything back the way it should be. The Coop dog here, he's got the impact. We got Aiden dog here, he's got the magnet. Not sure he's doing with that, that's all right. We've got our crotch belt in. We stripped out the bolt, taking it out, so we had to drill this hole out to 1/2 inch because it wasn't quite 1/2 inch. We got a shorter bolt. We put a washer on both sides. I'm going to double check that bolt, make sure that one's tight before we put the seat back in. And we already got this one tightened. So my helpers are still helping me. That's good. We got our seat belts in here. I love this blue color here. I put the cushion in so I can test fit. I'm about to get in here and strap in to make sure everything feels good. I might move this black buckle down here farther. It's right there on the seat. It might be okay, but probably gonna pull that down a little bit. Well, we're gonna do a test fit here. What are you doing? It's hot. It ain't hot. It's 61 degrees. All right. You're fine. You're fine. Anyway, so here's our update. We're all done, ready to rock and roll. Seat belts are in. We test fit them. Feel good. Had some good help today. Smiles. But yeah, we got it all ready to rock and roll. Got a lot more work to do, but she's coming along.